Hello everyone, Hussin here. I'm a VFX artist and educator at EFXCO. Over the span of my career in working and teaching VFX skills, I've come across lots of talented people, educators and mentors. I've learned tons from them and I'd like to sum up the stuff I've practiced in these 5 points. Number 1, fundamentals. Learn and understand basic principles of your craft. In example, in animation, you will need to understand the principles of animation. And in compositing, understand how a camera works is very important. Number 2, showreel. Make and update a showreel. Keep it short, but put your best work in it. This is the first thing studios will ask of you. Number 3 is attend events. Attend like-minded meetings, seminars, webinars. These are the best places to get to know people and ask questions. Number 4, be with the best. Hang out with the industry's best, get to know them and ask questions about the industry and other relevant topics. Number 5, get a mentor. A mentor is someone you look up to, ask for guidance. It could be a lecturer, a friend, or even your boss. I hope this will help you in your career as a VFX artist. Please share it if you think it will help others. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.